What we have here is a Commander, the exact model of which is unknown to me at this current time. All I know is it is a chunky event. An interesting shape to the housing, an original-like canopy. Very wide housing, very blocky housing. Somewhat small switch housing. It is also variable speed. This thing uses a metal flywheel bolted onto a spinner motor. Now, it's a literal spinner motor. It is vented, it's painted gold. Basically, they took a spinner fan motor. Like, it looks like something from Shi-Chen / Ju Feng. They took a spinner, alright, it's the motor from a spinner, and put it in this. Bolted on a flywheel on the bottom and called it a day. Now, probably like, wait, this isn't right. These are Alaska blades. That's exactly what these are. The fan included its original blades, but 2 of the blade irons were broken and 1 was missing. So, I thought I had a pair of old Alaska blades sitting around, so I put these on and they actually look rather decent, surprisingly enough. Right. Okay, trying to get it to... The bearings are a little sticky. When I got this thing, it was missing its pull chain and variable speed control. Someone had hardwired it for use with probably a 3 or 4 speed wall control. So, I had to find the switches, wire them in. Luckily it wasn't very difficult. Although the variable speed box is a little big, not really malleable, and thus the switch cap doesn't really stay on as well as I'd like it to. Now, bump it up a little bit. Put it high. The Alaska blades probably have a 12 or a 13 degree pitch. Thinking if the motor is made by Shi-Chen or Ju Feng, then it probably works off of speed. So if the blades had less pitch, I would assume that the high speed would be a bit faster. However, still moving in an okay clip, as is. Yeah, the bearings are sticky. Now, pull chain reverse, which I always find neat. This is at high speed, and similar with Xichen and Yufeng, it runs slower in reverse than it does on forward. Slower in updraft than it does in downdraft. So, ooh, I love the chunk. Again, turning it off. The original blades are also solid walnut, which I think is quite neat. Solid dark walnut. And there you have it, a queer commander.